And we spoke about marketing already. That's another challenge that alcohol brands face. Most of them have gone into marketing water or soda.
Yeah.
You have not thought of doing any of that, right?
So yes, surrogates is something that most alcohol brands have to rely on. It could be water, soda, tonic water. Those are the traditional routes people have taken. We would like to look at it from a cooler perspective. So I would think of more like maybe a streetwear line by Samsara. I would look at, maybe listening sessions or listening rooms by
Yeah.
Samsara.
Surrogates could be anything.
Exactly. So I would look at something that's more apt for my audience as compared to the more traditional forms of surrogates.
And last but not least, on the challenges side is working capital, right? And we've already spoken about it. But what's the credit cycle like? How difficult is it to get your money out?
Right.
So,
again, state specific. Certain states like Karnataka, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, these are government controlled states where the distributor is a government entity.
Okay.
Right. So it's like, for example, in Karnataka, it is KSBCL, which stands for Karnataka State Beverage Corporation, government-backed entity. These people have a fixed payment cycle. They'll pay you every 2 weeks or whatever.
Achha, it's not even that long.
Yes.
And you don't have to go and follow up in this and that.
No,
Okay.
automatically.
Okay.
You sell a bottle, 2 weeks after that, the payment comes to
Okay.
you. However, markets like Goa, Haryana, Maharashtra, these are private markets where the distribution as well as the retail is completely privately held. In these markets, credit, there is of course bad debt risk that is there. Minimum credit with the distributors and retailers consider their birthright is 60 days. That 60 days gets stretched
Always to 90.
120, 180.
Wow, okay.
It's 6 months is absolutely all right in this industry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And how do you then manage that? You just have to factor
You
it
just
in.
have to fund your working capital.
And bad debts hue?
Yes, definitely. And,
Acha.
It happens with distributors or markets where you would least expect it. The duty-free channel is actually one of the high-risk channels
Oh, really?
for bad debts.
Okay.